Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be installing massage module on my Tesla Model 3. I got it from Hansshow. Here's the pack. So let's get right into the installation. So I took this panel off. It just pops off everywhere except for the front. There's a screw under here. They say it's T20, but it's actually T15, I found out. T20 doesn't really fit, but I can't get it out. Looks like it's stuck or something, so I just pulled this clip out over here, this big one, and I'm gonna undo this connection and connect this box in. Already connected this wire right here. It's the only connection that you can do. So yeah, let's get this install started. Okay, so what you do is you take this connector from the car, connect it to this box or this connector, and then connect this small one, which is similar to that one, into the car itself. So there's this hole over here right under the seat. That's where I'm gonna push the module in and all the wiring, and then bring this long wire to the back of the seats. Okay, so I closed the cover, pushed all the wires to the back. Let's go to the back seat and connect everything. Wow, what a bumper. Follow this guy on Instagram.
Ссылки в описании.
Я добавлю.
На экране?
Remove this piece, and also have to remove the bottom cover. So pretty much this is the bottom cover at the bottom over here. And now I'm gonna push this whole wire. I'm gonna push this whole wire all the way through to here. Okay, I finally got the wire through over here, and while I was doing that, there's really no space for it to come through. It's pretty hard to do. So while I was doing it, this cover at the bottom between the two kind of popped off, and then I just, once I put the wire through, I put it back on. So just you guys just like pull down on it and it'll come off a little bit, so it's gonna be super easy to come through. And now what we do is get this connection from the car, plug it in over here, then we plug this little piece into the vent, and plug it over here, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. You will see the light flashing over there, and it should be working. So let's go try it out. Okay, let's see this this circly connector. Push 5 times down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. To be honest, nothing happened. So guys, it actually is working. I just had to press 2 times instead of 5, and it's slowly massaging my back. Very nice. Let's see, let me show you if we can actually notice it moving. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, it's definitely moving. If you just hold your hand here, it's kind of hard to see because I also have the covers. I don't know if you can notice, it's going up and down on top at the bottom. Basically works. And that's it for this video, guys. It only took me 10 to 15 minutes to install. Pretty easy, and it works just like I wanted it to. So yeah, thanks for watching. Shout out to Hansshow for sending me this product. It's actually nice. And one of the future videos is going to be automatic trunk. So that's gonna be awesome also, but that one is harder. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.